Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, I'm gonna be making funny noises. Here's the first one. I'm gonna do about 5 or 10. What's up? This is another one. What's up? This is the third one. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is the fourth one. What's up? This is the fifth one. Okay. This is the sixth one. Oh my god. This was the seventh one. What's up? This is the eighth one. What's up? And this is the 10th one. And the ninth one. What's up? This is the 10th one, the very best one. What's up? Wait, I read it that one. What up? That's the 10th one. Because I saw this girl on what's it called, on news, and she did funny. Well, she like ate stuff and then made noises with it. So I wanted to copy her, kind of, not copy. Okay, if my brother is watching, make sure, brother, to leave a like, and leave a comment, and like this video, put a thumbs up, ring the bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.